Hey signers! Are you hungry to learn some new signs? Well, this is the first of 2 videos where you will learn over 70 out-to-eat signs to curb your ASL appetite. Get yourself a snack and let's learn how to sign out-to-eat signs. This video is divided into 2 sections. This section is all about food items, and later I'll teach you about tastes. Here we go. French fries. French fries. It's just FF. French fries. Hamburger. Hamburger. You're just making the shape of the hamburger patty. Hamburger. Pancake. Pancake. Your non-dominant hand is the griddle, and your dominant hand is taking the pancake and flipping it. Pancake. Waffle. Waffle. Your fingers are making the grid of a waffle. Waffle. Pepperoni or pepperoni. You're showing the shape of the pepperoni and placing it on a pizza. Or pepperoni. Pepperoni. Pizza or ZZA. Pizza. It's just like you're putting the slice of pizza in your mouth. Pizza or pizza. Tortilla or tortilla. You're just making the shape of the tortilla, or you're showing that it's flipping. Tortilla, tortilla. Burrito. Burrito. You're just making the shape of a burrito. Burrito. Taco. Taco. Here's the taco shell and the meat that's inside. Taco. Sandwich. Sandwich. Here's your bread, and here's everything that's stuffed inside. Sandwich. Chips or chips. You'll either see it finger spelled or a non-dominant fist with a C for your dominant hand. Chips, chips. Soup, soup. Your non-dominant hand is a bowl, and your dominant is like the spoon slurping it up. Soup. Spaghetti, pasta, or noodles. You're making the shape of the spaghetti. Spaghetti, pasta, or noodles. Ketchup. Ketchup. It's like you've got your bottle and you're hitting the bottom to get all the ketchup out. Ketchup. Sauce, dressing, and syrup share variations of a similar sign. Sauce, dressing, or syrup looks like you're pouring something over a food. Lettuce. Lettuce. Think of a head of lettuce. Lettuce. Tomato, tomato, tomato. All are variations with the sign red, slicing it, or slicing it. Tomato, tomato, tomato. Salad. Salad. It's just like the action of tossing the salad. Salad. Bacon. Bacon. Your fingers are making the shape of the wavy bacon. Bacon. Onion. Onion. You're twisting this on your eye because onions make you cry. Onion. Sausage. Sausage. This is also the same sign for hot dog. Sausage. Egg. Egg. It's just like you're cracking the egg. Egg. Cheese. Cheese. Your dominant hand is grating the cheese. Cheese. Meat, beef, or steak. You've got your dominant hand clasping on your non-dominant. Meat, beef, or steak. Fish. Fish. You're just showing the fish swimming through the water. Fish. Chicken. Chicken. It's just like the sign for bird. Chicken. Now let's put these signs into sentences. What kind of salad dressing do you want? Salad dressing. Want what kind, you? Do you like sausage on your pizza? Pizza? Make the pizza, sprinkle it on. Sausage, like you? We ran out of ketchup. Do you have more? Ketchup ran out. More have? Now let's learn signs for tastes. As you will notice, these signs must include facial expression related to that taste. So if it tastes delicious, add those non-manual signals with that sign. Taste. Taste. Your middle finger is coming up to your mouth where you can taste it. Taste. Awful. Awful. Your thumb and your middle finger are flicking out with an awful face. Awful. Bitter. Bitter. You have your index finger coming up to your chin and making a bitter face. Bitter. Delicious. Delicious. You have your thumb and middle finger together and they slightly move as it comes out from your mouth. Delicious. Gross. Gross. Your middle fingers are pointing out and shaking with a gross face. Gross. Salty. Salty. You have your two fingers on both hands with your dominant wiggling back and forth. And if it's too salty, you do a face with it. Salty. Sour. Sour. You have your index finger at your chin twisting back. And when you do this, you have a sour face. Sour. Strange or odd. You have a C-shaped hand sweeping across your face. And when you do this, you make a strange or an odd face. Strange or odd. Sweet. Sweet. You have 4 fingers touching your chin and coming down. Sweet. Spicy. Spicy. Think of the heat coming like fire from your mouth. Spicy. Yuck. Yuck. You have a 5-shaped hand right here at your mouth with the yuck face. Yuck. Greasy. Greasy. You have a flat, non-dominant hand, and your dominant is showing the grease dripping off. Greasy. Now let's put these signs into sentences. This burger is greasy, but it's good. Burger, greasy, but good. This soup needs some salt. Soup needs salt. Wow, this steak is delicious. Wow. Point, steak, delicious. Are you craving even more out-to-eat signs? Well, we are serving up another order in part 2. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.